Dr. Sharma, maybe you can answer this quickly, is there are boosters for the variants being studied right now. Any thoughts about if people will be able to mix and match? Is this something that will be studied or looked at?
Yeah, it's actually being studied right now. So one of the theories from some of the lab tests is that if you actually use what we call mixed schedule, so an mRNA vaccine first, then a viral vector, or the inverse, one the other, that you might actually even get a better immune response and a more kind of robust immune response, and potentially it might even be better against some of the variants. So right now there's actually a trial that's going on in the UK involving about 800 people where they're looking at three groups. So one is first viral vector, then mRNA. The other one is first mRNA, then viral vector, and then the other group is getting 2 doses of, the usual sort of schedule. I don't think we're going to get results from that until maybe June or July, or at the earliest, but it's certainly something that that people are looking at. And not only could it potentially give better immune response, but the more flexibility that we have in the vaccine programs to be able to use the available vaccines with different people, the better it would be. The last part of it is, although it's very, very rare, if you do have somebody then that has an allergic reaction to one vaccine, then it would be nice to be able to have the data to show, yep, I can use a different vaccine and get just as good an immune response from that. So definitely something that we're looking at.
Yeah, so that shouldn't be something that people try to factor into a decision and kind of shop around for vaccines. Don't worry, because it's being studied. If you're going to need to take a different booster, it's being studied to make it work out. So right now, your only decision is, where can I get a vaccine ASAP? And that's it.
Yeah. I mean, the way that it's been sort of posed to me is, all right, wait a minute. So if I take this viral vector vaccine, am I locking myself out of the potential of getting an mRNA later? That's kind of usually how it's framed. And I say, no, it doesn't. It doesn't bind you to anything. It doesn't limit your options, but it gives you a good option now to at least get some protection. And then, for the AstraZeneca vaccine, for example, what we're seeing is that you're getting the best results at 12 weeks, or more for that second dose. So we have some time, just to see what happens and how things evolve before we have to make those decisions.